today I'm going to show you what I wore in America. Well, basically my favorite outfits I wore in America. I was there for like 2 months, so I wore a lot of cool stuff. I came back with a lot of stuff from the thrift stores, so I have some pretty cool outfits to show you. So this is my 6 favorite outfits that I wore while I was there. Alright, so with this first outfit, I'm wearing this really old dress that I got from Cotton On like 10 years ago. I threw on my white turtleneck, and I really love the trend of wearing turtlenecks over dresses. Of course, I added my Doc Martens Jadens, and I've thrown on this jacket on top. It's this corduroy jacket that I thrifted, and honestly, I have never taken it off since. Okay, so this next outfit is pretty similar to the last one, although I'm wearing a skirt and t-shirt this time with my turtleneck, and I really love the schoolgirl skirt trend. I feel like that's totally in right now. I've added some Vans for a change, and sometimes when it got cold I put on this really warm corduroy jacket from Ghanda, and I lived my green girl dreams. This next outfit kind of scares me a little. I'm not used to flare pants, and I don't really like tight pants on top, but I think this is really cute because the color of them is adorable. So I've added this with a t-shirt, long sleeve, and of course my Doc Martens. Sometimes it's good to go out of your comfort zone, and yeah, I feel pretty cool in this outfit even though I'm not used to it. Really cold and windy. Also, I wouldn't ordinarily wear this full suit, but we're going to see what it looks like.
She wears it all the time.
All the time. Alright, so this next outfit is definitely on the comfy side. It's not a usual outfit I'd wear. It's definitely more sporty than I would normally go, but I love comfort. So I can even just like jump around in these. Yeah, I look kind of extra with the full suit, but I think it looks really cool in photos having the jacket and the pants matching. Throwing on my Vans with these and my fuck off socks. Yeah, I felt like a cool person this day, and I was very comfy. Also, the best part about this is the whole suit is reversible, so yeah, 2 outfits in one. Alright, here we are with a very typical Jen outfit, a wrap dress. I like this one a lot because you can make it really winter appropriate by adding a turtleneck and stockings and everything, and it still looks cute. I also added this pop of color jacket just so it'd stand out a bit more in photos, and my new Doc Martens 1461 alt buckles or whatever they're called. That's super cute, and they basically add a little bit of grunge to the outfit, which I love. And yeah. Side note, I really love winter fashion. I'm kind of sick of it being summer here in Australia and me not being able to wear cute, cool clothes. which I think resembles vagina.
This part, very much.
It's good. Okay, so this is probably the most Jen approved outfit that I've ever picked out in my life. Obviously, a pair of overalls, some docks, and a cool shirt. So I felt like pretty badass in this. These are red corduroy overalls that I found in Japan. I paired it with this thrifted top that has the same color as the overalls and the logo, so I kind of left that to peep out, and also a stripy shirt because you gotta have some stripes in your outfit. So yes, I really love this outfit because you can basically keep as warm as you want because you can layer some stuff underneath and no one will know. So that's what I wore in America. Let me know what you think of all the outfits. I personally love like winter fashion and stuff, so it's been pretty depressing that it's been summertime here in Australia because I feel the most comfortable in like overalls, long pants, you know the drill. So yeah, anyways, I have been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and until next time, keep wondering. Holy shit, I'm sweating so